Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chandrika Datta. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Chandrika Datta and I shoot vlogs regarding how my experience is as an international student. So today's subject is finding a part-time job. So let me tell you from the start. I know you might be a student or you might be searching on YouTube about part-time jobs. We all do at one point, and still now I'm doing. To be honest, I'm giving you my personal experience. This video will be very short because I don't want to bore you guys, and also this video will be just to the point on how to find part-time jobs in UK. So I don't know about other places, but I live in Coventry. I'm studying in Coventry University and the place is amazing, so as the university. But I would like to say about the part-time jobs here. So on the part-time jobs, if you think that you have done anything in back in your country and you will do something here too, it's completely wrong, because it's totally up to the vacancies they have. And at some point it does matter about your experience, but people start from here, people consider you as from scratch here. That makes sense. Like you make a CV. So what I do, I have just made a CV in my Indeed and I've started applying here and there, all the stores and all the cafes where I've got. So my first point will be just make a good CV, and not an Indian CV. Just make a CV in Indeed, which is for free, and just apply for all the places. Don't leave anywhere. Just apply everywhere. And if you have an experience, that's a plus point. And if you don't, still you can start from scratch. It doesn't matter. Just completely depends, sometimes the luck hits. If you are not experienced, but you are submitting a good CV, then it's just about luck. You are just getting it. And sometimes if you have experience, still you don't get a job. So my personal experience on getting part-time jobs in Coventry would be like, or you in UK, is that whenever your intake is, if your intake is starting in January, please come sometime before January, if that makes sense. Like please try to move in by December end week, because the moment you are coming, all the other students are coming too. So it will be very busy. All the people will start finding job here and there, if that makes sense. And thus it will lead you not to get any jobs, because when there are a lot of students, there is a lot of vacancies there. So every student, just like you, will try to get a job. So I don't think that is a convenient option. So if you are, doesn't matter from a May intake, January intake or September intake, try to come just few days or few weeks before your intakes get started. And I think that will be a great thing. Then you will have time to find jobs and get settled. But when the university starts and everything just gets started, so you don't get time for yourself, and everything takes time for you to settle down. So just come few days prior to your university class get started, so that you just get time for yourself. You just earn money to just settle down a bit, and just enjoy a bit, get used to all the routes and direction and everything, so that you don't get lost. So I would suggest you to just come sometime before. That will be my first thing to you. And of course my second thing will be that please make a UK CV and not an Indian CV. So because Indian CV is a lot more different than UK CV. So it's just, you can make a UK CV which is to the point and quite people might find it easier here. I mean, the recruitment team, I think the recruitment team find it easier here to just see your CV which is based off UK. It's my personal experience. You might not agree with it, and that's completely fine, because I have got friends who have just cracked interviews having their Indian CV. So it doesn't matter. It's my preference to make a CV in Indeed. It's so simpler, and it doesn't charge you. If you want me to make a short video on how to make a CV in Indeed, and I can show you that, but you should comment down in my comment section below. And also, if I this video gets 5k views, then I will definitely post a short on how to make a CV in the in my shorts. In Indeed, if you don't know, then I'll do that. And my third suggestion would be to you is that, start calling all the places, all the properties, because, if you just start calling them, and, don't talk with the employer. Just don't talk with the employer. Tell them that, can I speak to the manager, please? And tell them if they have a vacancy, because some places, they do apply in Indeed, but still they have vacancies in their property. So if you call them, if they have a vacancy, they will ask you just to drop in and just to make a walk-in interviews and bring your CV as well. All also, if not walk in, then to drop your CV so that they can ask you to come down. I have done that, and I've cracked interviews like that. So I have called all the places near to my location, near to where I live. So I live in a student accommodation. I hope you guys know it. And what I did is that I continuously I printed all my CVs, and I started calling all the property places. And then what I did is I continuously asked them that, hi, talking to the manager, can you please pass the call to the manager? So the employees passed the call to the manager, and I have spoke, hi, I'm a student, I'm looking for a part-time job. Is there any vacancies in this property? So if they have, they will ask me to just come down and drop my CV there, and they will ask me to come for an interview, if that makes sense to you. And like that, I have got 2-3 jobs, and right now I'm working like that. So it's better you do like that, because I've worked as a bartender till now, I have worked as a waitress. So I've done all these jobs, and right now I'm doing a postgraduate ambassador in Coventry University. So that's how the things works. Like you can just call, and no one minds here. Don't think what will they think and what not, like how your impression will be, because no one cares. Every student just walk in. I know all my friends have done that. And you just, if you cannot call them, you can just, whenever you are just going for a view or just with friends to hang out, you can just directly go to a cafe you see nearby, and just walk in and just ask them if they have any vacancies. So they will just ask you to drop your CV if they have that. And I suggest you, please, please, please do not talk to the employers, talk to the manager directly. Because sometimes what happens is, even they have the vacancies, the employees are quite rude, and they don't want you to work there. I don't know why. And they will just say, the manager is not here, no, there is no vacancy. So there is no need to speak with them. Just speak with the manager of the property. They are very good, they will help you out. If not, they will suggest you something. So this way it works, and it's not like that you are the first one who is just doing the walk-in interview or the calling one. There are lots of students who does this. I think this is the best, and there is no shame in it. I have done it, you can do it. It's totally normal here, because everyone works as a part-time job, even the people who lives here. So it's quite normal here. And so these are few things which I wanted to tell you, like how you get a part-time job here. And I think these things works for you. If Indeed is not working, because it takes time in Indeed, I have applied, I don't remember how many, it's more than 100 till now. And sometime you just get a call, or sometime you get a mail from Indeed, from a company. You do, it's not that Indeed doesn't work. Indeed does work, but sometime it doesn't. But you get reviews and everything. It's just, these are my tips and tricks to get a part-time job in UK. So you can do all these things. I think these things will work for you. So if you have any doubts regarding getting a part-time job here or everything, then anything like that, then you can just drop in comment section. Also, I would like to thank you guys for making me have 1K views in my previous video. I just love you all so much. If you find any difficulty, problem, you can just text me in my Instagram. If I'm not or like if I'm not able to just get back to you, you can just comment on my YouTube. I am every time available on my YouTube. I can just get you like revert you as soon as I can. So that's it for the video. This is all I wanted to share on my views on how I got all the jobs I've worked till now. And I've just been here for the January intake. It's not that there are no jobs. Like, you might feel, yes, sometimes there are no vacancies, but there are vacancies every week. You will get vacancies here and there. If Indeed is not working for you, just go nearby stores, ask them if they have jobs, and do whatever they are asking for. They have a vacancy, they will definitely ask you guys to come down or to like drop in your CV. So it's not that you are the only person. Please don't feel discouraged that you are the only one who is finding job. I am finding job, everyone finding job in this world. Like, everyone is trying their best in UK to find good jobs here. So it's not just you. Please don't get demotivated. It's just that everyone is doing like that. Everyone is in that hassle. So you do not need to give up. Please don't give up. It's just you have to keep yourself motivating every day, because you have to be your own strength. No one else will be. So it's just that, you have to keep hustling, you have to keep going, and I'm sure you will do great. So if there is any problem, please do let me know. And if you like this video, then do not forget to like, subscribe, share. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. See ya, bye bye, take care.